Hi guys, I'm going to talk about the funny bird. So here's the funny bird. She is close back. And here's the funny bird closer up. Do you see those things? That's why it's called the funny bird. And here's the bird very up closer. You see it has a worm in its mouth. And it was right here, then it flew away. It was a baby bird. Yeah, wait, there is the bird. You see that? See that? And the bird is cute and funny. So yeah. She is cute and funny. So yeah. And that's all about the funny